Hi, Algebra 2. This is Unit 1, Lesson 3 homework answers. So this first question, number 10, wants to know which expression has the greatest value when x equals 5. So basically, you're going to substitute 5 in wherever there's an x and simplify that. So this first one right here gives me 57. The second one, 5 to the third power minus 5 over 3, gives me 40. And this last one, 10 times 5 minus 2 over 5 minus 3 is, 48 over 2, which is 24. So I want to know which one has the greatest value. So the greatest value is obviously this first expression, because that's 57, the other one's 40 and 24. So the first expression has the greatest value. In 11, a zero of an expression is a value of the input variable that results in the expression having a value of 0. Catchy and appropriate name. Is x equals 3 a zero of the quadratic expression shown below? Justify your answer with a yes or no. So I'm going to substitute in 3 for x and see what my answer is. So 4 times 3 squared minus 8 times 3 minus 12. 4 times 9 minus 24. 36 minus 24 minus 12 is in fact 0. So yes, x equals 3 is a 0 because it makes the expression equal to 0 when substituted. Because it makes the expression equal to 0 when substituted. Okay. Next page. Which of the following is the value of the rational expression when x equals -2? So I'm going to substitute in -2 wherever there is an x here. So on top I have 2 minus 3 times 4, -12 plus 4, -10 over 8, -10 over -8, which is 5/4. So that is the same as choice 3. So you're just substituting in -2 wherever there's an x and finding that value. 13, I have an x and a y, so I'm going to substitute in 5 for x, and I'm going to substitute in -2 for y. So on top I have 3. On the bottom I have 21, which is 1/7. Again, this first unit is just all a review of stuff that you should be comfortable doing back from algebra. Then 14, I have some absolute values. So I'm substituting in 2. So I got the absolute value, and again an absolute value, 2 minus 10, minus absolute value of 2 plus 3. And 2 minus 10 is -8. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, the absolute value of a negative number is a positive number. The absolute value of a positive number, this is the absolute value of 5, is just going to stay 5. All right, and then 8 minus 5 is 3, and the absolute value of 3 is 3. And 15, I have a square root, a radical, so I'm substituting in 2. So basically, the square root, 4 times 2 squared, plus 2 times 2 plus 5, all over 10. So that is 4 times 4 plus 4 plus 5, all over 10. 16 plus 4 plus 5 over 10. So that gives me 25 over 10. And the square root of 25 is 5 over 10, which of course is just 1/2. And the last one. The revenue in dollars that eMath Instruction makes off its videos in a given day depends on how many views they receive. If X represents the number of views in hundreds, that's super important right there. then the profit can be found with the expression 1/2 x squared plus 6x minus 10. So this is the expression to find out the profit, but x is representing the number viewed in hundreds. How much revenue would they make if their videos were viewed 600 times? So 600 times, that's basically x equals 6, because remember, x represents the number viewed in hundreds. So I'm plugging in 6 for x. 1/2 times 6 squared plus 6 times 6 minus 10. 1/2 of 36 plus, oops, I lost my 6 here, plus 36 minus 10. 18 plus 36 minus 10. So that would be 44. Okay, and those are the